Today we're doing rear shocks on this 1998 Dodge Intrepid. So I bought these probably like 5 months ago. I just never put them on. No time. But we got them now. We're going to get it done. So I've had it with this shocks, man. Bouncing around like a buggy. So here we are. Brand new Detroit axle. I'm not going to say where I'm bought them from because I'm not sponsored and I'm not advertising anything. But did do some research. Also, you might want to get the stabilizer bars. When I bought this, it said it had stabilizer bars, so I'm going to have to see if they're in here. But according to Dodge, we need to remove the rear seat. You got to jack the car up, first of all, to get the bottom part off, but we definitely got to remove the rear seat. And shouldn't be too hard. I'm not going to read the owner's manual. I'm going to go just by sight. You know, it's not, I don't think it's that difficult. So first we're going to open this up and make sure the stabilizer links are in here, because that could be a problem if they're not. 1 second. Alright, yep, we do have a stabilizer linkage. And it looks like there's 2 of them. So, there's 2 in the box. Here's the lower mount, and here's the upper mount. So the upper mount and the lower mount here. I'm thinking the upper mount is definitely behind this seat right here. So you got to get this seat off for sure. Okay, according to Dodge, we need to remove this lower and upper seat part to get access to the shock tower here in the rear. So I bought this car from somebody who had it stored for 10 years. So I don't know what's under this seat, man. So, you know, if I see a bunch of junk in there, it's not for me. Anyway, so you lift up on this seat. It should snap off these 2 prongs here. Wiggle it out. And there she goes. He's out. All kind of stuff falling out. I don't know what that is. Anyway, you can see the mounting parts on the seat. All you got is 2 spring attachments that support it. What do we got now? A mess. So, wow, bugs too. Spiders, I don't know what that is. So we're going to clean all this out, and then I'll come back and take this top one off. Yep, looks pretty bad, but you can see the mounting brackets here for that lower seat. Just snap out pretty easy. So I'm going to clean all this up. Got my gloves, and then we'll proceed to take this top one off. Probably the same arrangement. 2 springs, pop one out, and the whole thing should come out. Okay, you got 2 bolts that are attaching this seat, and they're right behind the seat belt. For some reason somebody put them inside this little, I guess this is a holder for the seat belts. Out of here. So push them through. me access. There we go. There's one right there. And there should be one on this side. Yep, I'm pretty sure I have a battery issue. Either way, I'm back to recording, and it's 18 millimeter. That's 18 millimeter. I did put some WD-40 on it. There we go. We got one out. It looks like, I'm hoping you don't have to take this bottom piece out, but it looks like you might have to take this bottom one out too, because the bracket goes right through there too, which I don't quite understand. It should come off. There it is. It just pops out like that. Well, now remove that seat belt, and there's one done. Do the other side now. We'll get this thing off of here. Free. There you go. Now the seat should come out. Seat belt out the way. Lift up. Push out. There she goes, folks. There she goes. Until tomorrow, and I'll start later on these shock towers so I can get to those. But this is where we're at right now.